boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, 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 get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me today, no matter where you are in this beautiful world of ours. Thank you very, very much. It's a pleasure and it's an honor to be on your electronic device. I'm on location today. I'm at the Essence Dispensary, Green Thumb Industries property. Last time I was here, we were talking about foot traffic. And we were talking about foot traffic as being an indicator for the financial health of a company. And we said at that particular time that they had a lot of foot traffic. So if that was any indication, and oftentimes it is, that's an indication of the financial health of a company. Now, what did they do in the meantime? They did another acquisition. They did some things. They everybody's happy inside. Everybody's getting paid top dollar. So the stock itself, the price has gone. Beginning of the year, the stock was like $7.50, $8. Now it's up to $16. So the stock has doubled, which is great. And hey, it's good. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about 3 companies right now that have not joined the small cap over a million. Let me preface this. Small caps, those are companies that are under $1 billion, right? Small caps are under $1 billion. Green Thumbs Industries has gone over $1 billion. So the last time we were here, they were under $1 billion. They were considered a small cap company then. Now they're over $1 billion. So from 1 billion to 10 billion, they're considered like a mid-cap company. And then over 10 billion in market cap, they're considered a large company. Now, a lot of mid-cap companies right now in this industry. You got, Canopy and Aurora. Those are the only 2 that are out there right now that are like large cap companies, with Aurora being over that $10 billion market cap, and Canopy being over that 10 billion market, and Aurora closing in on it. Let me tell you something. Look, for you that are new, what we do is we're boots on the ground, and we go to different locations and we see what's going on. Not only do we do the technical analysis, we do the fundamental analysis, we also do physical analysis. So we're there and we talk to the managers, talk to the people, and we see exactly what's going on at some of these places. But for you that haven't had any of the educational classes yet, market cap is simply the total value of the company. It's the shares outstanding multiplied by the share price, and that gives you a market cap, which gives you an indication. When you're doing your analysis, large companies versus big companies, don't worry about the share price. Then this price has doubled here. Like I said, it went from $7.50 or so at the beginning of the year, $8 to $16, which is good. But now their market cap is over $1 billion. But before I get there, let me do some preliminaries also. I'm an author. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I do research and I write books. Make money online with cannabis books. You can find all my books on Amazon.com. You can find the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. Make money online with cannabis stocks. I list over 40 stocks and also have a strategy that you can use in any market for the rest of your life. It's also investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. There's a lot of legalization going on all over the world. We have the States' Rights Act. We have banking legislation coming up. That's why I've put it out there that the insatiable appetite of the investors in the United States, we're not going to have that lull like we had the last 4 years in the summer, where stocks go down and they get no tracking and come back up until the winter time. I'm on record, and I'm the only one out there saying that that's not going to happen this year. There's going to be some more people get on board with me. You'll see as time goes on, they'll see that the Americans are buying all the pullbacks, all the dips. On those days when stocks go down, we're bringing those stocks back up. Also, Promising Medical Marijuana and CBD Treatments is another book that's out there. These 3 books, Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, Promising Medical Marijuana, Investing in Medical Marijuana, these three books should be the nucleus of your education. My friends, invest in your education. I got 3 stocks though that I want to bring to you today. These are all stocks that are under $1 billion market cap. These stocks will be over $1 billion market cap, and the stock prices will be a lot higher sooner, probably rather than later. Now, the first stock I want to talk to you about is KushCo Holdings. KSHB is the symbol on the over-the-counter. Now, KushCo Holdings, they do all kinds of packaging. They're North America, South America, European lender. They do all that. They're under $6. Their quarterly sales high 35 million or 0.2 this last quarter. They only have a market cap of under 500 million. So they're a relatively safe bet right now to be going up a lot higher in the future. That's Kush Holdings. Also, Ianthus Capital Holdings. Now, Kush, all these are around their 200-day moving average or above their 200-day moving average. Either today or tomorrow, they're like in that area right there. Ianthus Capital, ITHUF on the over-the-counter, IAN in Canada. Now, it's a multi-state operator, MSO. It has cash. Today, it closed above its 200-day moving average. You can see there's cars and everything parking. Green Growth Industries has it going on, my friends. It has a market cap of 730 million or so. It's plugging away. Like I said, it's over its 200-day today. So Ianthus should be on your radar. These stocks should be definitely on your watch list. The third stock I want to mention is the Green Organic Dutchman, TGODF on the over-the-counter, TGOD on the Canadian Stock Exchange there. Today, they closed above their 300-day moving average. Now, I've been in contact with this company constantly over the last months, and they've assured me that basically this is the summer when things happen for them, for the Green Organic Dutchman. And I believe so, that this is their summer. $850 million market cap. They will be going over $1 billion market cap sooner rather than later. TGOD is a much hyped company at one point, but they have it together. This summer, I expect big breakout from TGOD. So those are the 3 companies: KushCo Holdings, Ianthus, and the Green Organic Dutchman. Now you say, why aren't some of these other stocks on this list, Mickey? Why? Well, they're already over $1 billion market cap. That's why they're not on this list. So with that said, I want to thank you all for joining me. There's a lot of foot traffic here at the Essence Dispensary, Green Organic Dutchman's dispensary here. There's a lot going on. That stock itself has crossed over the $1 billion threshold, and they're doing exceptionally well. But these 3 companies will do exceptionally well when times. Ianthus right now, definitely in the $5 USD, it's a buy. KushCo approaching like $6 USD, it's a buy. TGOD at a little over $3 a share USD, it's a strong buy. With that said, love you. Take care of yourself. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. You can share these share. I don't tell people enough to share. Go ahead and hit like if you like this information. If you're gonna roll with me, definitely become a subscriber, because we have a lot more coming. We have the President of the United States is going to do some things for us, and we're all going to be happy, and we're going to make money. Thank you very much. Love you. Take care of your family. God bless you.